my name is Theo, and today I'm going to talk about how to create charts in Excel. So today we're going to go over three different charts. These charts are pie charts, bar graphs, also known as column graphs, and scatter graphs. And these are all great ways to show visual data and to show things such as trends, percentages, compare data. There are many other types of graphs available on Excel, which you can look through yourself. I'm just going to show you these three today. So in a second, I'll show you the data we're using. So for the pie chart, we're going to be using these percentages here, and these are percentages for weighting a grade. For the bar graph, we're going to be comparing some data, and then for this one, we're going to be showing trends for a class for average grades. And here we go. We're going to talk a little bit about percentages. So you're going to highlight the data you want to. In this case, it's right next to each other, so it's pretty easy. Go, click on it, and you'll get this. You can edit the title. It's all important to note that you can have these in 2D, 3D. You can change the color here. Here I'm going to change it to green, which will also show up on the bottom, and you can pull parts out to highlight them and show them more clearly. Next, we're going to be doing our bar graph. So you can highlight one section, and once you're done, you're going to click the Ctrl key, and then you're going to highlight the other section. This allows you to highlight sets of data not next to each other. Then we go to the Insert tab again, choose the chart we want, and here we are. Again, you can edit the title, and you can change the color of either all of the graph or just one of the sections like I'm going to do here. So these two are great for showing two things. First off, percentages, and the next one is the bar graph is great for comparing small sets of data. So next we're going to look at a scatter graph, which we're going to use to show trends. These trends are going to be for grade point averages in a 16-week semester, and then I'm going to go on and I'm going to wrap things up in my conclusion. Again, these aren't the only ones, but these are the ones I'm going to show you. So let's go on to now looking at the scatter graph. And here we are. You're going to highlight your data, go to Insert, and then you're going to choose the chart you want, which in this case is the scatter graph. Here we are. And in order to select the trends, you're going to go to Add Chart Element, click on Trend Line. As you click there, it's going to show up on the graph. And there we go. You can do this with much larger sets of data and do this with either positive or negative. And you can select different trends as well. So at the end of the day, graphs are a great way to show data in Excel in a visual format. These graphs, of course, as I've shown, can show multiple different types of data, from percentages to comparing small sets of data to comparing trends and finding out where trends are. There are obviously a whole lot more that you can look at. Again, I encourage you to explore these. These are through Excel, and Excel has lots of different options. So again, it's a great way to show visual data, and I hope you've learned a lot in today's presentation. Thank you so much, and this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.